Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings. For example, you can select how long you want it to be on after nobody is connected. You can set it to turn off out to 5 minutes of nobody is connected, or 10. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also change its AP band, or you can't. You can reset its OOB settings here, or you can select the maximum amount of connections here. You can also select the VPS Connect mode here. And that's it, all of the settings for this mode. And you can also switch a hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.